Let f is a function defined from R2 to R be given by this relation, then f has two saddle points, a point of local maximum and a point of local minimum, a point of local maximum and a saddle point, a point of minimum and a saddle point. Basically, 3 or 4 points asked about this problem. As f is given by 4xy minus 2x square minus y raised to the power 4 and asked about saddle point, point of local max, local min, none other than. Basically, to solve this problem, we should know first few things. What is critical point? Stationary point, saddle point, and point of local extreme. These few points related to this problem to solve this problem. First, we will discuss critical point. Critical points are those points where gradient of the function is either 0 or not defined. And this gradient is not defined either partial derivative with respect to x or partial derivative with respect to y or both doesn't exist. So critical points are those points where gradient is 0 or not defined. And stationary points are only those points where gradient f or partial derivative is 0. Not defined condition is not comes in stationary point. So stationary point implies critical points, but all critical points may not imply stationary points. Means few points may be stationary point and saddle point is one of those saddle point is one of those point where function is increasing in one direction as we go far away from the point and fu- not function or surface of the function is increasing in one direction or it is decreasing in another direction. This is known or nomenclature of this point is basically as horse saddle. Now come to the point. First need to check, first find critical points, find critical points and need to check nature of critical points. So for this we always make this table critical point fxx, fyy, f square xy and fxx, fyy minus f square xy and conclusion. We will put critical points here. As function is fxy is given to us 4xy minus 2x square minus y square. So fx is 4y minus 4x, f double x is minus 4, fy is equal to 4x minus 4y cube, fyy is equal to 4 minus fyy means this is fy. So derivative again with respect to y. So it should be minus 12 y minus 12 y square. Now check again. If x is derivative with respect to x, partial derivative. So y take as a constant 4y minus 4x and derivative of y square is 0. Double derivative with respect to x. This is minus 4x minus, this is basically y raised to the power 4. So minus 4y cube and now 12y square. This is perfect. Now fxy, this is xy, take derivative with respect to y. So 4 minus 0 or directly 4. To find critical points, put fx equal to 0 and fy equal to 0 and find those common points. Find common points where both fx and fy, both, it is important, is 0. So fx equal to 0, this implies 4y minus 4x is 0. This implies x equal to y, and put fy is 0. This implies 4x minus 4y cube is 0 because we need to find common solution. So use this one as a substitution. So 4x minus 4x cube equal to 0, or take x as a common, minus x square is 0. This implies x equal to 0 or x equal to plus minus 1. So points are 0, 0, 1, 1 and minus 1, minus 1. Now check these points are making both fx and fy 0. Yes, these are making fx and fy both 0. So critical points are these 0, 0, 1, 1 and minus 1, minus 1. Now because fxx minus 4, so at all points this will be minus 4. Now fyy minus 12y square, at this point this is 0. If there is some calculation, you can understand how to find. At this point this is 0 and 1, 1, this equal to minus 12, and at minus 1, minus 1, this is again minus 12. Now f square xy, f square xy is, because xy is 4, so its square, because this is constant, so at all point this is 16, 16 and 16. Now this value is minus 4 into 0 minus 16, this is equal to minus 16. means negative less than 0. This is -4, -12, -16. 12, 4 is 48 and 16. So 32 greater than 0. This is -4. This is -12. -12 -16 is again 32 greater than 0. If fxx fyy minus fx square xy is 0, then need to investigate further. If less than 0, then saddle point. If greater than 0, it's depend, means this is the point of extreme or extrema, means maxima or minima depends on these fxx and fyy nature or sign. So this is less than 0. So this is the point of saddle point. This is greater than 0. Also you can check either fxx or fyy or both is negative. So this is the point of max. Again, this is a point of max or local maxima. Now 2 points are maximum, local maximum, and one is saddle point. Now come to the option 2 saddle point. Here we find only one saddle point. So option this wrong. A point of local maximum and a point of local minimum, but we find no local minimum point. So option this is discard or eliminate a point of local maximum and a saddle point, because we find two local maximum but asked about only one. So this is right choice, and because of minimum this is again wrong. So only option C is